Hey there, fellow programmers! In this Java tutorial, we will be discussing custom exceptions. Custom exceptions are a way of creating our exceptions that can be more specific to our program's requirements than the standard Java exceptions. Let's dive into how we can. As you can see, we have created a class called custom exception that extends the exception class. This means our custom exception class inherits all the properties and methods of the exception class. Now let's add some more functionality to our custom exception class by adding a constructor and some methods. In this updated version of our custom exception class, we have added a constructor that sets a custom message when the exception is thrown, and we have also added a custom method that can be used in conjunction with the exception. Now that we have created our custom exception class, let's use it in our program. In this example, we have thrown our custom exception, caught it in a try-catch block, and called the getMessage and custom methods. These methods were defined in our custom exception class, and now we can use them to handle our exception. Thanks for watching and happy coding!